Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to verify app. A connection to the app store is required for the first launch. So guys, if you're also facing this issue and you are unable to install some apps on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to general and then software update and update your software to the latest version if there is any update available for you like this. So guys, simply update your software and after this go back and tap on about, and from here check if there is any career updates available for you. Then you have to simply update your career settings and after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply scroll it below and tap on date and time and set your date and time from here. After this go back and tap on language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. After this go back and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. Again go back and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then open the transfer or reset iPhone settings and then tap on reset and tap on reset network settings of your device from here for one time, and after this restart your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then open support app and from here you can get any kind of help from the Apple support team regarding this issue. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.